The P0172 code indicates a System 2 rich Bank 1 condition. This means your engine's computer, the ECM, is detecting an excessive amount of fuel relative to oxygen in the exhaust gases on Bank 1, which is the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. The ECM tries to compensate for what it thinks is a lean condition by adding more fuel, and P0172 is triggered when this compensation goes too far. It is a common OBD2 trouble code in gasoline engines with fuel injection systems. Several symptoms can indicate a P0172 code. Look out for an illuminated check engine light, CEL being the most obvious. You may also notice reduced fuel economy. Rough idling is another common symptom. Hesitation during acceleration or even stalling can occur. A strong fuel odor from the exhaust is another sign, as well as failing an emissions test. The P0172 code indicates the engine is running too rich on Bank 1. Let's examine the top causes. The most common cause is a faulty oxygen sensor that fails to accurately read exhaust gases, causing the engine control module to add too much fuel. Fuel system issues like clogged fuel injectors can over-deliver fuel, leading to a rich condition. A weak fuel pump can cause low fuel pressure, but ironically, it may lead to rich conditions as the engine compensates. Vacuum leaks in the air intake allow extra air in, causing the engine to run lean initially, but the ECM may overcompensate with fuel. A dirty mass airflow sensor gives incorrect air readings, leading to improper fuel mixture calculations. Exhaust leaks can introduce false air readings to oxygen sensors, mimicking rich conditions. Excessively high fuel pressure can flood the engine with fuel, causing rich running. Rarely, ECM software glitches can cause incorrect fuel trim calculations, leading to rich conditions. Begin diagnostics by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0172 code and examine freeze frame data for long-term fuel trim values. Next, inspect for vacuum leaks using a smoke test to identify any air leaks in the system. Monitor live data for oxygen sensor voltage, which should fluctuate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts during operation. Also test fuel pressure to ensure it is within the typical range of 45 to 55 psi. Modern AI-integrated scan tools from Bosch can predict rich conditions to help narrow down the problem efficiently. A faulty oxygen sensor is the most common cause of the P0172 code. Let's explore how to fix this critical component. A faulty oxygen sensor is the most frequent cause behind the P0172 code, as it can misread exhaust gases and cause the engine to run rich. Replacing the oxygen sensor is a common and often effective solution to resolve the P0172 code. The cost of replacing an oxygen sensor typically ranges from $100 to $300, including labor charges. Modern wideband oxygen sensors in newer cars after 2025 are more reliable, but replacement may still be necessary if they fail. Remote monitoring via apps and devices like OBD-Link's MX Plus can provide AI-driven alerts for oxygen sensor issues, helping prevent problems before they worsen. If vacuum leaks are detected, repair them promptly. These leaks can cause the engine to run rich by introducing extra air into the intake system. For air intake issues, clean or replace the mass airflow sensor if it's dirty. A contaminated MAF sensor can send incorrect airflow data to the ECM, leading to improper fuel mixture. For fuel system problems, clean clogged fuel injectors. Clogged injectors can restrict fuel flow, causing the engine to run rich as the ECM compensates by adding more fuel. Also check the fuel pump and filter. A weak pump or clogged filter can cause low fuel pressure, prompting the ECM to enrich the mixture to maintain performance. For prevention, change air filters every 30,000 miles and use quality fuel. Regular maintenance helps avoid contaminants that could trigger rich conditions. After completing repairs, reset the ECM and perform a test drive to ensure the P0172 code doesn't reappear. If the code returns, further diagnostics might be needed to rule out more complex issues, such as exhaust leaks or catalytic converter problems. Keep in mind, some 2023 GM Silverado models required a firmware patch to eliminate ECM bugs causing the code. Prevention and long-term outlook. Regular maintenance, including changing air filters and using quality fuel, is key to preventing P0172. While the code is still prevalent in older ICE vehicles, hybrid models exhibit it less often. As electric vehicle adoption increases, P0172 will likely become less common. For legacy ICE fleets, advanced sensors and machine learning diagnostics will improve resolution speeds. Note that supply chain issues in 2025 drove up O2 sensor prices by 20%, impacting repair costs.